We ran an alternative on the site to demonstrate the difference by parking in the rear instead of the front using a zero-lot line, BayHome style alternative with parking on the side, not in front of the home. We intentionally used as an example very large bay homes with 3-car garage and master on the main floor. We use this to demonstrate worst-case scenario of a very large unit without changing the street pattern at all. These 26-foot wide example homes can very easily be made modular and of course much smaller in square footage without garages. This is the neighborhood that Richard Harrison grew up in, Oak Park, Michigan, specifically along Dartmouth Street. The development is 80 years old, and looking down the streetscape, it still looks very nice today, compared to a lot of older neighborhoods that did not age very well. One of the reasons that the neighborhood is still uncluttered with parked vehicles is that the original homes had no garages, instead parking along sides of the homes spaced 10 feet apart. Over time, some of the homes built garages in the rear yards. Originally considered a middle-class neighborhood, this area of Oak Park would be considered lower middle class if not upper-lower end. In lower-income developments, the car is a concern. By placing the home so close to the lane that parking behind the garage is not possible, forcing cars to be parked alongside of the homes, or if a garage is provided in the garage, we eliminate the car clutter that can be a negative visual impact. The homes used, and again can be easily done modular and much smaller, are staggered for a panoramic view of the common areas, all connected by the pedestrian system. Along the perimeter, the neighborhood has a village appeal. While driving in the neighborhood, having home rears upon entering is not very attractive compared to fronts, however, nor is a sea of parked working-class vehicles. As conventionally planned, the view out of the living space and porch will be vehicular-oriented versus common space and more greenscape. This panoramic view can also be accomplished with a conventional layout should the modular home designer be aware of this advantage. The sides of the homes can be zero-lot line with private patio space along the side, or zero-lot style with a use easement, which might be easier in certain communities. Anyway, we felt it could be influential to demonstrate an alternative conceptual